are back again. I am your host, Box Break Brian, with DACW Live Breaks. Coming at you live from the DACW Live Lounge. We have another box break for Robert. He decided he's going to do two more boxes. He decided to do Famous Fabrics Ink Hockey Edition again. And he's going to do the Enforcers by In the Game. So we're going to get going. We're going to get ripping. We're going to start with the Enforcers. See what we get out of here. Looks like we're going to get 12 cards in the box. Let's see what we get. Actually, it's my first time ever opening this product, amazingly. Get out of there. So there we go. Empty. Empty. See you later, box. So we got 12 cards. Let's see what specific order they're in. All right. So we'll start here, and here we go. We got Kaki versus Bilak. We've got Chara versus Koki. I don't know how to say his name. We got Larock versus Rob Ray. Always a good fight right there. We've got Toronto Tough Franchises with Tiger Williams, Bob McGill, Wendell Clark, and Ty Domi. We have Brad May, record holder, most penalty minutes by a team in a season. There we go. We have our first relic. It is Stu Grimson and Enrico Ciccone. It's a dual jersey right there. We have another Enforcers, looks like we'll say a jumbo jersey of Matt Karkner. There you go. Now we got our autos. We have Wally Weir, auto. We have Joey Kakur, auto. I don't think any of these are numbered either. We have Lyle Odoline, auto. Dave Semenico, auto. And we have the Boogeyman as the last auto, Bob Bugner. So, nice start of the box there. Put these over here, get them packaged up. Now we got Famous Fabrics. One card, one auto. Let's hope for a big one. Last time we got a 1/1 auto of Joe Thornton. Let's see what we can get you for you this time. Oh, you want to see the Enforcers again? Yep. Inserts are Brad May, Toronto, Larock and Rob Ray, Chara and Koki, Bilak, Bob Bugner, Dave Semenico, Lyle Odoline, Joey Kakur, Wally Weir, Matt Karkner, and dual jersey of Stu Grimson and Enrique Ciccone. Yeah, no problem. So we'll do 10-11 Famous Fabrics. Got one auto. It's another one. Second one of the day.
There's only one.
500 goal scorer. Empty box. And it is a cut auto of Ron Francis. So, two pretty good 1/1 autos for you out of this product. And your box number is 507 out of 2,400. So, I'll get this packaged up again. Unless you want another order, let me know. And other than that, we are all set. Anybody else that is looking to participate, you can always reach me, boxbreakbrian at dacardworld.com. Follow us on Twitter at DACW Live Breaks. or on the website. You can contact us through there at dacardworld.com/live. Once again, Rob, thanks again for the second order. We appreciate it, and I'm out.